Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to install a few packages in our Node.js application. After that, we will set up the Multer Middleware inside the image route. So let's get started. As you can see, the index.js file. Now on the top, I'm going to import here image route. Now after this, I'm going to setting up the Express application to use the routes that defines in the image route file. So it will be a app.use. Let me add here the root path that we have slash and we have to navigate the request to the image route. After that, I'm going to install Multer in our Node.js application. So let me open here the terminal and I'm going to write the command to install the Multer. So the command that we have npm install name of the package that we have Multer. Let's hit enter. As you can see, the Multer installed successfully. You can cross check the Multer dependency inside the package.json file. As you can see, now after that, let's go to the image route. On the top, I'm going to import here the Multer. After that, I'm going to import bucket from the firebase.js file inside the config package. After the bucket, I'm going to import here the image model. After importing these, I'm going to install a UUID in our Node.js application. So let me open here the terminal. And here I'm going to write the command that we have npm install UUID. Let's hit enter. As you can see, UUID installed successfully. You can cross-check the version of the UUID inside the dependencies array of the package.json file. After that, let me import here the UUID. We are calling the v4 method from the UUID library. This library used to generate the unique IDs. Now after these, I'm going to set up the Multer middleware for handling the file uploads in Node.js. So let me call here the Multer function. Inside this, I'm going to specify the storage engine for uploading file. Here we have used memory storage engine, meaning files will be stored in memory as a buffer objects rather than saved directly to the disk. This is useful for the small file uploads when you need to process the file in memory before deciding what to do with it. After that, I'm going to add here the limit where we have a file size 5 MB. This sets a file size limit for the uploads. In this case, it's 5 MB. If a user tries to upload a file larger than this limit, the upload will fail. Let me save the response of this method into this object that we have upload. So basically, this configuration allows you to handle file uploads directly in memory while forcing a file size restriction of 5 MB. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.